Selamat datang di Italia, teman-teman. Hai teman-teman, selamat datang di Genoa, Italia. Aku dari Swiss sama temanku, si Rahman. Dia orang Turki ya. Kita kesini tadi dengan mobil ke Genoa.
Turkiye.
Turkiye ya. Okay, so Rahman, where are we going next after this place?
Well, we're planning to go to the old town, and we want to see some seasides. The old city is really very historical, you know.
Yeah.
And then the plan is to drive by car to Portofino, to the beach.
To the beach, yeah. So we will be at the beach. We will continue recording there. Well, first the old town, and then we record at the beach. Okay, dan
Güle güle.
gile-gile. Aku mau tambahan, ini kapal perang dari Spanish Galleon ya, kalau nggak salah namanya. Tapi ini cuma replika aja. Padahal kita di Italia, tapi kapalnya dari Spanyol. Oke, sampai nanti. Ya, kapal Galleon, aku lupa kasih namanya, Neptune namanya, nama kapal ini. Dari 17th century. Oke, itu tambahan. Seperti kalian lihat, ini Genoa, kota tua sekali. Sag mal.
Da ist Piazza Colombo, schöne Piazza.
So, show us the way.
So we go this way.
Sekarang lagi di kota tuanya. Banyak jalan-jalannya yang kecil. Aku sama temanku lagi heran gimana kalau ada kejadian ya. Misalnya orang jadi sakit atau mau mati, terus ambulansnya gimana lewat sini. Harus jalan kaki dan angkat orangnya. Bagus lihat nih, gedung-gedungnya tua. Ini mereka jemurannya dikeluarin karena mungkin di dalam nggak ada tempat ya. Aku penasaran sekali gimana bentuk di dalam kalau tinggal di sini. Gereja namanya Piazza de Luca, dan Genoa sekitar 500.000 orang, lebih lah dari 500.000 orang yang hidup di sini, dan terkenal dulu karena port harbornya ya, jadi banyak traders datang gitu. Keren banget ya teman-teman, kota tuanya. Tersesat nih kita sekarang, nggak tahu jalannya, harus pakai Google Maps. Ada loh Google Maps untuk jalan-jalan di sini. Kalian berani nggak malam-malam lewat jalan sini? Coba kalian tinggal di sini terus kalian kalian tinggal di sini terus harus malam-malam lewat jalur sini untuk ke tempat rumah. Berani nggak? Ayo komen di bawah. Ini San Matteo. Kan banyak gereja-gereja di kota tua ini. Ya di mana-mana lah di Italia banyak gereja. So where are we now?
Now we came back to the place which is called Piazza de Ferrari, and that means the place of the Ferrari. That's all I know, and we go straight. So here is the municipality house, and that's supposed to be the governmental house, and we're in the heart of the old town. Right.
Wonderful, guys. Let's continue our journey. Oke, tadi dari Genoa kan, sekarang kita terusin ke Portofino. Tapi mobil udah habis bensin, harus dipenuhin. Mahal bensinnya, 1,63 euro. Lebih mahal dari di Eropa, dari di Jerman dan di Swiss. Mahal di Itali. Oke.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, we arrived to Portofino, beautiful Italian town, south of Genoa, and me and Adrian, we're gonna discover the town. We'll go around, check how the beaches are, and we're gonna check out how the food is, and tutto bene.
Teman-teman, aku nggak tahu nih sejarahnya, pokoknya banyak turis juga kiranya. Padahal betul di selatan ya. Di sini lihat, aku kasih mapnya di mana kita sekarang berada, Portofino. Ya, harinya indah. Kalau di Swiss sekarang lagi hujan, aku tahu. Di sini enggak. Teman gue si Rahman kemana ya? Aduh, cari cewek dia kayaknya tuh. Cewek Itali kan cantik-cantik juga. Gelato Italia. Ini pistachio, ini crema catalana. Enak banget. Enaknya. Sekarang kita ke pantai, barusan jalan-jalan aja. Keren ya teman-teman. Oh, jernih sekali lautnya. Bentar lagi kita masuk ke dalam airnya. Dingin pasti, tapi segar. Sekarang sekitar 27 derajat Celcius kalau nggak salah. Wah, keren. Lihat nih. Lihat nih. Teman-teman, teman-teman, ya, airnya dingin sekali.
Merhaba. Nasılsın?
İyiyim,
Süper, çok
iyiyim.
güzel, çok güzel. Turkish language.
Nanti aku kasih tahu aku kenal dia dari mana.
Turkish language.
I told them where I know you later.
Very good.
First we swim now.
That's
First we
sweet.
swim. It's cold water, so I have to be very fast.
That's sweet. Yeah. Okay, kaparım verdammt.
Nee, ich bin ja nicht. Wir gehen so rein. Also ich gehe so rein. Wah, dingin oi. Wah, tapi segar. Ada ikan hiu nggak? Siapa takut sama ikan hiu? Kalau aku nggak. Maksudnya aku takut sama ikan paus yang nggak takut. Susah juga berenang dengan satu tangan dan dua kaki ya. Tapi aku bisa kok. Udah sejak kecil selalu berenang di pasir jambak di Padang. What happened? What? Hey Rahman! Rahman! Rahman! So we know each other from Turkey. We were working in Turkey.
Turkey, right?
No, first in Russia.
We worked first in Nizhny Turinskaya.
We first met in Russia, working together there.
We were on a site.
Yes, and then later on in Turkey. You guys know?
In Turkey, yeah. I'm originally from Turkey, but we live together.
You're from Izmir, huh?
Yeah, Switzerland. I'm from Izmir originally, and we met in Turkey. 1 year we spent time for work, and we had good food
In Kırıkkale.
Kırıkkale. It's close to capital. Cappadocia, close to Cappadocia.
No, it's capital Ankara, close to Ankara, east of Ankara.
Right. So whenever you go, I could give you some tips. And whenever you come Switzerland,
Just
Germany,
Just follow him and text him if you like. Okay, I will jump from there.
okay. Crazy guy.
Oke teman-teman, untuk menutup hari yang indah ini tentu saja makan pizza atau pasta. Kita kali ini mau makan pasta karena katanya pastanya handmade ya, pizzanya nggak handmade. Coba lihat nih. Kalau Rahman
Show mine.
Oh, red crabs.
Red crabs. So we had a nice day. We were swimming. Adrian made some jumps, and we dived into the sea, and we ate some nice specialty from Italy, some fish, some pizza, and now we're eating the handmade pasta, and it's good time. Tonight it's gonna be Genoa. Don't forget to subscribe for this, my friend Adrian Blaster.
Thank you Rahman.
Good.
Yeah, very delicious.
Let's do some videos.
Yeah,
Ah, it's
I am.
awesome.
Yeah. Enak banget teman-teman.
Oh, what Really good, guys. I mean, I can't describe. This is handmade. Gracias, prego. Let me try again. Mamma mia. Tutto bene.
Oke, bye-bye. Makanannya nggak cukup buat kita, jadi kita tambah satu pizza quattro formaggi. Matt makan.
This is perfect. We will eat this. Look like a butcher, huh? Amazing food, like a butcher. Like a butcher, but Italian pizza from nice stone oven. Quattro formaggi.
Okay, try it. They want to see how much it tastes, how good it tastes.
Let's try.
Prego.
Let's try.
Oh, the cheese is so...
Oh yeah. Really good. Yeah, I would recommend. Come here to Italy and let us know when you come. We could explain you some tricks and tips. And subscribe for Adrian Blaster, my Blaster friend.
Kalian dengar ya, jangan lupa subscribe, like juga dan komen.